Right, now the leather is back to this stage after all the grease removal that's taken place to remove the head grease. It is very, very susceptible to absorbing any form of grease, moisture or anything, because now there is absolutely no colour on this surface whatsoever, so we need to get that sealed as quick as we possibly can. We've already got the colour pre-mixed already, so we're just going to go ahead and sponge some colour on there. We're going to wipe that on first of all just to get a coating on it so that it actually adheres into the leather and soaks into the fibres. So we're just going to go ahead and just carefully wipe that on, like so, making sure that you cover all the leather. And then once we've got that wiped on there and that's dry, we'll then proceed to put another coating on, and we're going to dab that coating on to create a little bit of structure to the leather and sort of almost like a grain pattern in effect, to give it a little bit of unevenness. This is actually soaking right into the fibres of the leather now, because it's obviously very absorbent at this stage, which is what you need to do with any recolouring process that you're going to do on leather. You need to remove all the colour that you possibly can to enable the leather, the actual substrate of the leather, which is what we've just seen there prior to putting this colour on, to actually soak the colour, the new colour, into the leather. If you don't soak the colour into the leather, what's going to happen is it's just going to sit on the surface of the leather, on the actual colour. It's going to sit on the surface, which is going to give you problems in the future, things like peeling and cracking and things like that. So you need to make sure that for adhesion, that this actually soaks right into the leather. So now we've actually got that coating on there, and it's actually drying quite quick because it's obviously soaking right in. We're going to actually put another coating on, and then we're going to dab that coating on. Just a very quick rough one now, and then we're going to dab that coating on there, ready. The final thing I'll do is actually spraying the colour on. So we're now going to dab that coating on to give that a little bit of texture and a bit more body to the colour itself. Just get that dabbed all over. Just like so. And then we're going to dry that with the hairdryer to speed up the process. But that's got a nice sort of even uniform coating on there, and that's really absorbed back into the fibres of the leather, so that the adhesion on there is going to be absolutely superb. All the products we have adhesion promoters built into them. There is absolutely no need to go buying adhesion promoters at all, as long as you actually do the job thoroughly in the first place, which is to strip the colour off the leather to enable the leather to be fully absorbent. This will adhere just as good as any factory finish from a tannery. That's that done. We're now going to actually use the hairdryer and dry that all over. So excuse the noise, please. It'll take a bit to dry, obviously, because we put on 3 coatings now. We put the initial coat on, then we wipe the second coat on, and then we've obviously dabbed a much thicker coating on top of there as well. You can see it's actually drying now quite nicely already. These colours self-seal as well, so there is actually no need for any lacquers to go on there afterwards. They're all built in. Fantastic products that just do what they say on the bottle. They recolour leather and repair it to perfection. Once we've done that, there's 1 or 2 little bits we've got in there that we're going to sand out, give it a light sand, ready for the actual spray coats to proceed over the top. That's actually dry already, so that's absolutely perfectly fine. Lovely and dry. Fully sealed back up again. If you want to see all our products, please go and visit our website, www.leatherrepaircompany.com/store. All the products are on there. If you need any form of technical help at all, info@leatherrepaircompany.com. Drop us an email, give us a bell, phone line. 0845 257 2820. One of the expert technicians will be more than pleased to help you, guide you through with anything you need to do. If there's any specific video you require making, give us a shout and we can make that for you. Thank you very much.